Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of our 300 watt SBH02 high performance shoebox area light parking lot fixture. It's ideal for those applications where you want to replace a 1000 watt. It comes with a bracket included with it. Could be the slip fitter, arm, or trunnion yoke bracket. As you'll see, I've done videos for you of the 100 and 277, the 100 watt and 150 watt unit. This is the 300 watt unit. This has two modules versus the one. Again, standard product supports 100, 277. We do stock these. We can build high voltage units also. Comes either with a T5 or T3 optic. Has the ability for you to install a NEMA socket photocell kit, which we also do offer as an option. But it also has the ability to upgrade it for motion sensor. Just basically clicks in. You have your remote to then do what you want to do with it. It does come standard with a Philips high performance driver. So we are able to provide a 10-year warranty on the 100, 277 volt version. For high voltage, it's a standard 5-year warranty. Fixture also puts out about 160 lumens per watt plus, so it's an ideal fixture to give you more light when you have a 1000 watt fixture. So give one of our lighting specialists a call today. They can help recommend the right solution for you. Have a great day.